In this video, I am replacing the factory steering wheel with an aftermarket Nardi steering wheel. I've got the steering wheel, the horn button, and the adapter that I've got to install. It's really a pretty straightforward installation. The adapter is held on by the large nut that held the original steering wheel on. And then the steering wheel is screwed into the adapter with 6 screws. So we just have to mount the adapter then to the car, then the steering wheel to the adapter. So the first thing is to mount the adapter. As I said, it is held on by that large nut that held the original steering wheel on. So here I'm just putting the adapter in, sliding the adapter in place and tightening it down, tightening the nut down on it. Once the adapter is secured by that large nut, then I've got to line up the holes in the horn button with the holes in the steering wheel, aligning all those with the holes in the steering wheel adapter. So I'm putting the top screw in so that I can get all the other screws lined up. The last thing I have to do is to tighten the screws. It's got 6 screws that attach the horn button to the steering wheel and the steering wheel to the adapter. So the last thing is just to tighten up those 6 screws. This is really, as I said, a pretty straightforward installation. It's not complicated. The adapter is secured by that large nut that held the steering wheel on. Then the steering wheel is attached to the adapter by 6 screws, and those screws also attach the horn button to the steering wheel. So that pretty much finishes the installation, and I can go on to other things, and I'll try to get another video up soon.